Okay, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, from wherever you are coming from. I guess you guys can see my screen. I guess you guys can see my screen. Okay, before I start this weekly, before I start cannot do whosoever who is calling himself a trader that cannot do what I'm about to do. Whosoever who is calling himself a trader that cannot do what I'm about to do, that is to analyze the market raw and fresh. I'm a pure price action trader. I don't depend on anything like moving average indicators. No, I'm a pure price action trader. I'm sharing my screen so you guys can see how I do it live. So the meaning of this Mercyfx weekly analysis is what you are going to stick to for the week. What you are going to look to. If you are going to look on stick to the buy side, you are going to analyze it. You are going to know. If you are going to stick to the sell side, you are going to know. So that is what the anytime I always upload this video every weekend, every Sunday. Every I upload this video mostly on Sunday because we want to stick to what we are going to look to. We want to know our next draw on liquidity for the week. So that is it, guys. So before I start, I would like to share with you little about the private mentorship. So guys, go get registered for the private mentorship. This is where, for you that don't know anything about the forex market, we are going to teach you the basics. The basics are what are forex, what is what those time frame. We are going to teach you the basic. You can't call yourself a trader. You can't call yourself a trader when you don't know the basics of forex. You don't know the major things about forex. You don't know the candlesticks, the rest. So you have to know all those things. This is what we are going to teach you on the private mentorship, right? So guys, go get registered now. I will leave the link below so you can get registered. Then, because why this private mentorship is so important is that you won't depend on trade signals from any mentor. We are going to teach you that you can able to analyze the market yourself and give yourself signal. Don't wait for signal, guys. Don't wait for signals. That's typically wrong. Don't wait for signals. So go get yourself registered. Okay, guys, very quick. Let's dive into the charts. Let me turn this to landscape. Okay, you can see DXY, which is dollar. Dollar is actually losing strength. So if dollar is losing strength, what are you expecting to see the currency pairs do? They are going to gain strength, right? So guys, you know the major currency pairs I trade, which is the AUD and the Euro USD. So we are going to stick to the AUD USD for today. Let's see what we are going to be sticking to for the week. Right? So let's know if you are going to stick to buy side or you are going to stick to sell side. Okay, let's go. This is. I think the market is just ranging. So let me just pick out everything, right? So you see how I analyze the market. See how I do it live. This is live. Again, I'm telling you guys, anybody who cannot analyze the market like this, guys, those people are not a forex trader. Those people, see, anyone you want to make sure you want to call your mentor, go to his profile, check and see where he analyzed the market live. If you cannot see anything like that, guys, better run for your life. Those guys are not forex traders. They are just making money from people, not from the market. They are making money trying to convince people that they are forex. They are making money from people, not the market. Okay, so guys, let's come down to the higher time frame, right? Because from the higher time frame, you want to know the next draw of liquidity. You want to know what's happening. Okay, so let's use this rectangle, right? Let's map up our high, right? Let's map up our high and map out our low also. So this is our low. This is our low. This is our low. This is our high, right? Okay, guys, let's drop down to weekly so you can see what you can do next. Okay, you can see this trade. It's typically on a down trade, and normally, if you want to, and normally what the market normally does is from your high to your low, right? That is now. Once you get to the report in this low, what you are expecting is a rebound up. So that is it. That is how this market works. So what are we going to be sticking to? We are going to be sticking to in for those position and for those position traders and swing traders, they are going to be sticking to sell side. So we that we are day traders, let's see what we are going to be sticking to. So let me take off this one. Okay, let's get our trend. You can see the overall trend is bearish. The overall trend is bearish, right? Okay, now we've mapped out our trend. Now let's walk into the trend. Let's walk inside the trend. I often say this. Let's walk inside the trend. You can see, we can see if we could place our fib here. If we could place our fib here, let me explain for those new beginners. Fibonacci is just like a tool that helps you to know what the market is doing. That help you to know what the market is doing and to give you a proper, like it help you to frame your entry points. You understand me? It help you to frame your entry point. And this Fibonacci was made by Leonel Fibonacci. That is his name. His name was Leonel Fibonacci in all those 13th centuries. So guys, that is it. So we could see that okay. So let's take out this fib down to see the market drive down to this place, right? This is our inside trend. You remember, we want to work inside the trend, right? So this is our high. Let me just make it I don't want it to be. So this is our high, right? And this is our low, right? So you can still plot another trend. You can still plot another trend right here, right? Okay. Now let's work with the recent swing. Let's work with the recent swing. Let's work with the recent swing. Okay, we could see price has tested this level. We could see price has tested this level. Tested the right here. Tested the trend line right here, right? This arrow. So we want to wait for a pullback. We want to wait for a pullback. Remember, this is where we are looking for. Remember, this is where we want to see price draw to. This line. Let me change it to right. No, right. This line. This is our target. This line is where we want to price to trade to. Okay, now from this swing, now I want to work with the swing. If we could plus our fib down to this place, we will want to get a retracement. We will want to get a retracement. Let's use our rectangle. What is this? 1 minute. No, 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 not 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah. We want to get a retracement right here, like this, like this. But what I'm seeing in this market, we could get, surely we are going to do this retracement. But first, we want to know if this market will come down here, then give us the retracement, or or from this, or we get a reversal back to this retracement, then we look for this downside. So you can see this, guys. You can see, I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. I don't know if you understand. Anybody who cannot trade the market, who cannot analyze the market like these guys, those people, those people are just making money from you, not the market. That is why I always say, if you see this guy, if you see a person is a forex trader, go to his profile, see where he analyze the market live, right? Before you could depend on that person, don't go and rich yourself. Be aware, be mindful. Hi. Okay, so that is it. Let's drop down to, you can see where we are expecting price to go. So right here, right here. Let's drop down to the 4 hours. So in this daily time frame, right? If you are a swing trader, if you are a swing or position trader, you have to wait for price to retest to any of this level. You have to wait for price to retest any of this level. Let me put that arrow. Either you wait for price to come here, if you are a position trader, if you don't want to risk for a better A plus setup, a high probability trade setup, you are a position trader, or you are even a swing trader, you can wait for price to come here, then you short. You wait for price to come here, then you short. Or you wait for price to come here, or you wait for price to come here, then you go for a long. This is for swing traders and position traders. Okay, now let me come for all those day traders, right? So now we've seen what happened here. Day traders, day traders. I'm a day trader and I'm a swing trader, right? So day traders, we could see what's happening here. The overall trend here. So in a trend, we have three type of trend: the inner trend, the outer is called the outer trend. Okay, the inner trend and the outer trend. Yeah. Sorry, too. The inner trend and the outer trend. So let's get our inner trend. Let's get our inner trend. You can see you must trade with the trend, oh bro and misses. You must trade with the trend, right? You must trade with the trend. So now, bro, and guess what? I can even see what the market is trying to do. Yes, live. I can see what the market is trying to do. So if you enter this trade, but day traders, take note. This is a short. I'm going to short this market. I'm going to short this market live. So once the market opens today by 10 something, guys, go for short. Go for short. Down here. This will be our TP. This will be our TP. This will be our TP. So this is it down here. Then your stop loss could be, it's a long run, so let's give it at least 20 pips. Your stop loss could be here. So that is it. That is it. That is it, guys. That is it. That is it. That is it. That is it. 24-hour time frame. So it's a long run. So I'm going to set the market. You want to trade according to the trend. So that is it, guys. So that is it. That is it. I hope this video is being recorded and shared. Okay. Let's follow the Facebook page. The Facebook page is also here. You can see the Facebook page, Mercyfx Forex Trader. You can follow Telegram, TikTok, Twitter also. We are all live there, right? We are all live there. You can see we are live here also. We are live here. We are live here. So that is it, guys. That is it. That is it. Once again, okay, now see you guys next week. See you guys this week. Let's see what the market will have for us. Thanks.